Okay, so good evening, everyone. Good evening once again. So today is the DSS session, right? Today we won't be having a Kahoot, right? Because today is totally DSS session. We have to complete the discussion of this. Okay, so very good. So let us start, guys. 9.1. So I guess 9.1 was easy. 9.1 was easy, right? And now we had discussed all the examples also. Now tell me, in 9.1, is there any doubt in 9.1? Tell me. Nine point one, no doubt. Akash, no doubt. Rest. Jia, Nabil, Kartikeya, Priya, Sandhya, Ananya, Tanushree, Aditya. 9.1. Anyone have any doubt in 9.1? 9.1 was very basic. You just have to add, subtract, है ना? And after discussing, I guess after discussing one other assignment plus uh, the example, I guess this was done, है ना? Yes, yes, Tanushree, 1000 is just one term, no, so it is monomial. Okay, right? So 9.1, I guess everyone has solved 9.1 and no doubt in that. If you have doubt, you can just ask later also. Okay, no issues in that. So when we say that we have complete 9.1, we can, right? We can think that our concept of basic like terms, unlike terms, addition, subtraction is clear, right? So that is check. The concept is clear. Message to host. Priya, message to host. Okay, right. Chalo. So ये तो concept clear हो गया हमारा. Now let us do 9.2, है ना? So when we talk about 9.2, the concept was product, right? Multiplication, and that also easy multiplication, right? Monomial, है ना? So 9.1, how much time it actually took to solve 9.1, guys? Tell me how much time it actually took. We have given 30 minutes for 9.1. How much time it actually took? 20 minutes, right? है ना? 30, 20, 30, okay, 30 minutes. No one took more than 30 minutes. Okay, so that was like fine. Okay, chalo. 9.2, 9.2. Any doubt in 9.2? Any doubt in 9.2? No? Sure, Aditya? Okay. See, I will check the paper and I will upload the best answer. Okay, the best answer, no, right? What whoever got the best answer, I will upload that. Right? So you can just check. Okay. Second one, what is the doubt in second one? You have to find the area of rectangle, right? And this is length, this is breadth. So area of rectangle is what? Area is equal to what? Length into breadth. Length into breadth. You have to just multiply these two terms. Okay? We have done this, right? Enough. Okay, Akash? Got it? For example, I'll just take this, right? So it will be what? 3mn into 4np, which is 12n square mp. Okay? Okay. Now, third one also easy. Third one also easy, right? Fourth, which question, Bindu? Which question? Fourth one, which question? Tell me, Bindu. Fourth one, which question?
Sir, amen.
A, right? So see, fourth ka one wala, one. Fourth ka one.
No, sir, in first man, fourth one.
First, fourth. Okay, first, fourth, right? So see, it is already 4p cube. and this is minus pp, right? है ना?
12 p square cube.
12. Now it is what? P cubed into p minus 12 p cubed into p. It will be what?
P to
Minus
the power 4.
Yes.
Minus 12 p to the power 4.
To the power 4. Correct. ठीक है?
Okay,
Done?
sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. चलो. Fourth one. Fourth, fifth. Any doubt in fourth and fifth? Tell me, any doubt in fourth and fifth? Tell me, Sanvi?
No, sir.
No?
No, sir.
Okay, chalo. PQ square, right? First one, na? See, which one? Sandhya, which one?
Sir, first one.
First one, which question?
Sir, second one, first question.
Second one, first question. This one.
Sir, I'm asking that we should add square, no, sir, after the answer.
Right, see again, right? See again, when you talk about meters, it is not given that it is in which unit, right? So if the unit was in meter, then you have to write that. But here it is not given. You have just write the value. So the value is just PQ. Okay. Okay. समझ में आया संध्या?
Sir, can we write square unit?
Square units you can write. Okay. So it is PQ
Okay,
square units. Square units, but unit is not given. They ask to find just the value, so you don't have to worry about that. Okay, you don't have to worry about the units.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Any other doubt in 9.2? Tell me, any other doubt in 9.2? Tell
no,
me.
sir.
No. All of you were able to solve. Shrey, Vihan, Sanvi. Fifth first. Okay. Fifth first. See. Let us see, right? X, Y, Y, Z, Z, X. X into Y into Y into Z into Z into X. So X is 2 times, Y 2 times, Z 2 times. So it will be what? X square, Y square, Z square. Yes or no? Tell me. Right? Yes or no? So easy enough? Clear? Okay? Chalo, next. So 9.2 also done. Okay? So how much time does this exercise take? 9.1, 9.2, tell me. 9.2 कितना time लगा? 30 minutes, right? So 45 minutes was too much. 45 minutes is too much, right? You have to work on your speed. If you took 45 minutes, then you have to work on your speed. Okay, right? Okay, because we have to discuss 9.2. I'm asking 9.2. Okay, 9.2 कितना time लगा? Because we should know na how much time it should be required, right? Aditya, don't tell any random numbers. Okay. Okay. 9.3. 9.3 chalo. 9.3. So 9.3 is multinomial into binomial into monomial. Okay. Chalo. First main. Okay. First one. Let us see. First one. First का कौन सा doubt? First में कौन सा doubt? Shreya, got it, Shreya? First का fifth. Okay. First का fifth देखो. First का fifth. Anything multiplied by 0 will become what? Anything multiplied by 0 will become what? 0. That is the answer. Okay? Correct? Okay? Right. Okay, Sinchana, I will discuss question by question. Okay? Then you can say. Second one, any doubt? Anyone have any doubt in second one? Second one, any doubt? Anyone have any doubt in the two? Please message, guys.
No.
Question number 2, no. Fifth, second का fifth.
Yes, sir.
Nabil, okay, so see, ABC into ABC. So ABC into A plus B plus C. So concept, think, which concept? Okay, Dhanushri, we'll come to
Distributive
that.
property, sir. Sir, distributive property.
Distributive property, yes. Correct, है ना? Bindu, see, your answer is wrong, right, Bindu? That's why I will send the answer to you. That's why, see, distributive property, everyone should think step by step. So it will be what? A into B into C into A first, right? Then plus A into B into C into B plus this into this, right? A into B into C into C. Correct? Got it, Bindu? है ना? ठीक है? So it will be what? In this case, A and A will be what? A and A will
A
be
square.
A square.
A square
A
BC.
square BC. Correct. And
Plus,
now in this term, B square. So it is A B square C, right? Plus in this C and C. AB C square. So this is the answer. ठीक है? Right? Got it, Nabil? Bindu, you checked your
yes,
answer.
sir.
Everyone checked your answers.
Yes,
ठीक
sir.
है? Okay. Okay, very good. See, if you have even doubt, no, if you have doubt also, you can ask, right? If you want to cross verify your answer, then also you can ask. Now, I guess this one you got cleared. Tell me, this one got cleared.
Yes,
Tanushree,
sir. Same.
है ना? Because
Sir,
this
same,
is
sir.
this one, है ना? Clear है? So it will be what? A square B minus AB square. ठीक है? Same as this one. ठीक है? Okay. If you have doubt also, no, in any question, right? You want to cross verify your answer, ask. No issue. Message. Okay. Right? Next. Third one. Third first. Okay. Third first. Third first. So see, when you talk about third first, what we have decided? First we will do. First we will multiply what? Tell me. What we will multiply first? Coefficients. Correct. Correct. Enough. So 1 into 2 into 4. It will be what? 8.
8.
8. Right. Then see, A to the power 22, A to the power 26, which means A is 2 times, A is 22 times, A is 26 times. So 2 times plus 22 times plus 26 times. Tell me how much it would be?
40. No, sir. 50, I
More,
think.
more. Add it, na? Add it will be 50.
50, sir.
Correct. So it is 50, hai na? So A is how many times? A is 50 times. A is 50 times. Done? सबको समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then
I have a doubt, sir.
just ask, na? Just ask the doubts.
Yes,
Send the
sir.
number.
Sir.
Third one.
No, sir, not
Right?
like that,
Third
sir. I have a doubt in one of the concepts.
Yeah. What is the doubt? Doubt? Tell me.
Sir, like we are multiplying the terms, sir, but why aren't we multiplying the power? Why are we adding it?
See, what is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2? Tell me.
16, sir.
No, in terms of power. In terms of power, it is what?
Sir, 2 to the power 4, sir.
2 to the power
4, right? Because what's the definition of power? What is the definition of power? Right? If I ask for the definition, it is number of times any same term is multiplied. Hi, Anna.
Yes, sir.
But if you multiply 1 into 1 into 1 into 1, what we will get?
Sir, 1 only.
1.
Anna. So got it? Got your answer, Nabil?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, चलो. Okay, then third one, right? Okay, Rohan, we are discussing this. I guess what we have solved. second का fourth. Okay, second का fourth. See, second का fourth is same as the previous one. 4p square q square, which is multiplied by p square minus q square. Again, same property, which is distributive property. So 4p square q square into distributive property, this into this, into p square, minus plus into minus minus 4 p square q square into q square. Now tell me here, p square into p square, it will be how much? P square into p square, tell me. P to the power 4, correct, very good. So it will be what? 4, है ना? P to the power 4 q square minus here q square into q square will be what? 4 p square into q to the power 4. That is the answer. Okay, right? Right? And what is the reverse process called?
So factors.
Factorization. Yes, है ना?
Factorization.
Yes. If the question was this, and the answer was this, then it is called as factorization, right? है ना? Expression, no, I guess you are asking expression, right? Multiplication expression, not experience. है ना? So this is the expression, है ना? This is the expression, multiplication, multiply expression, ठीक है? Okay, chalo. Now third. So third. First of all, again multiply the constant terms, coefficient. So minus 10 by 3 into 6 by 5. Minus 10 by 3 into 6 by 5. Okay, पहले तो coefficient terms multiply कर दो, ठीक है? Into what? This p into q3 into q into p3, right? है ना? और p3 into q same है. तो बताओ 3 से ये 6 जाएगा, हाँ या ना? 3 से 6 जाएगा, how many times? 2 times. 5 से 10 जाएगा, 2 times,
So
correct.
minus 2 times. -2.
So it is minus 2 into 2 is minus 4, correct. Now p into p cube, tell me, p into p cube will be what? P into p cube will be what?
Sir, p square q. Sir, p square.
P to the power 4, na?
Power of 4.
Yes, sir.
Yes, right? 1 times, 3 times, p to the power 4. And q cube into q will be q to the power.
Q to the power of 4.
Correct. So done. Got it, everyone? Everyone got this? Okay. Clear? Sandhya, clear? I guess second one or fourth one also can be solved like this only. Right? Got it, Rohan? Everyone? Sanvi?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very good. Anyone have any doubt in this? Third one? Okay. So let us go to fourth and fifth. Fourth, fifth. Any doubt in question of 4 and 5? Fourth, fifth. Ask. If you have any doubt.
9.3, fifth one.
हाँ, 9.3 fifth का कौन था?
Sir, D.
B, ball. B for ball. This one.
No, sir, D.
D, okay. D. So let us see. We have solved a problem like this, Ayana, right? Subtract this from this. So what's the first thing we should do? Tell me, what is the first thing we should do? I hope all of you remember dividend rule. Anna. So we should, tell me, make my problem simpler. We will divide it. Okay. So first we have to add this and this, right? Which actually meant subtraction only. So let us solve this first. Anna. So it is what? 3a. I'll just use multiplication directly. 3a into a, right? Plus 3a into b, right? Plus 3a into c. Yes or no? Ayana. Any doubt in this? Raise your hand. I use distributive property. Any doubt in this? Raise your hand. No doubt. Very good, Vihan. Okay. Right. Now, second term, minus 2b into a. Minus 2b into a. Minus plus minus. Very good. What is minus into minus, guys? What is minus into minus? Tell me. What is minus into minus?
Plus.
Sir, plus.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Plus. And 2b into b? 2b into b. What is minus into
The
plus?
2b square. The
Sir,
2b square.
Minus.
We'll write this in next step. I will write this in next step. Okay? So it is minus 2b into c. So if you solve a into a, if you solve, I can say, sir, it is a into a, 3a square, a into b plus 3ab, a into c plus 3ac, minus b into a minus 2ab plus 2b square minus 2bc. Yes or no? Tell me. Anyone have any doubt in this? Tell me. Anyone have any doubt in this? Step by step. No? So can you find any common term? Can you find any common term? Any common term?
So 3ab and minus 2ab.
Correct. 3ab and minus 2ab. So 3 apple minus 2 apple will give me 1 apple. Very good. So it will be what? 3a square plus ab, because 3 apple minus 2 apple, 1 apple, plus 3ac plus 2b square minus 2bc. Yes or no? Tell me. This is the term. Ye wala, right? And I have to subtract from this term. Subtract from this term. Let us see what is this term. One AB or just AB, it is same, no? It is same, right? You can write like that. Okay. So this term is 4c into minus a. What is plus into minus? Tell me, what is plus into minus?
Sir, plus.
Minus.
Minus. Plus into minus is minus. Minus, correct. So minus 4c a. Then plus into plus, plus 4c b plus 4c into c. Okay. So I guess all of you can write like this. It is what? Minus 4ac plus 4bc, right? Plus 4c square. So you have to subtract this from this, right? So you have to subtract this whole term from this term. So this term minus this term. I'll just change this pen. Okay. Minus over what? Tell me. It is 3a square plus ab plus 3ac plus 2b square minus 2bc. Yes or no? Tell me. Anyone have any doubt? I'm just writing the expression. I'm not doing anything. I'm just writing the expression. Anyone have any doubt in this? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Anyone have any doubt in this? So should I rub this? Okay, I'll rub this. Yeah, so we can get more time to, more space to solve. So let us see. I guess all of you know subtraction. I need not to teach you subtraction. What is the first step that we should do? Sign change. Right? So I will rewrite. I will rewrite this. So 4c square minus 4ac, I'll just write like this, plus 4bc minus plus minus 3a square minus plus minus ab minus plus minus 3ac minus plus minus 2b square minus plus 2bc. Can you find any like term? Can you find any like term?
Sir, 4BC, 2BC.
Yes. That's why we did subtraction, na Sandhya. See, we are doing subtraction only, right? This minus this, right? So, Sandhya? Okay. Okay. Chalo. So now let us see. 4AC, 3AC. AC common, right? Okay. Right. Then 4BC, 2BC common. So we have two like terms. Okay. है ना? So I will just write it as 4C square minus 4AC minus 4AC minus 3AC will give me what?
Minus 7AC.
Minus 7AC. Very good. 4BC plus 2BC will give me what?
6BC.
Plus 6BC. Rest term we can write as it is, है ना? Minus 3A square minus AB, right? Minus 2B square. So this is the answer. Everyone, check your answer. Right? है ना? So this is the answer. This is the answer. Everyone, please check your answer. Okay? Okay, chalo, next. Any other doubt in this? Any other doubt in 9.3? Any other doubt in 9.3? Any question? Sandhya, Rohan, Sanvi, Sinchana? No? Very good. If you have any doubt, you can just ask. Okay? Jia, any doubt? You clear all your concepts? 9.3 done? Tell me, Jia. Very good, Kartikeya.
Sir, Kahut.
Okay. Next, 9.4. 9.4 and 9.5 will take time. So I will discuss almost, right, all the doubts of all the questions of 9.4. I will tell you the answer of everyone. So you can cross check. Okay. So 9.4, I will solve each and every question. So you can cross check your answers. Okay. Okay. Works well. Right? Hannah. Okay. So see, I will discuss all the problems of 9.4, all the problems. Okay. So first one, first is super easy. 2x plus 5. Now, everyone please cross check your steps. Right? 4x minus 3. So what we need to do? Tell me, distributive property, step by step. So 2x is multiplied with this whole term, 4x minus 3 plus this 5 is multiplied by this whole term, which is 4x minus 3. Right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So what is
Yes, sir.
the next step? Again, distributive property. Again, distributive property. So 2x into 4x plus or minus. Tell me, next sign would be plus or minus?
Minus.
Minus. Very good, because this is minus now. Plus into minus is minus. 2x into 3. Okay, here. Plus 5 into 4x. Now, plus into minus, minus 5 into 3. Anyone have any doubt in this? I guess no, right? All of you check your steps. So 2 into 4, 8. X into x, x square.
Yes, sir. 8x square.
minus 2 into 3 minus 6x plus into plus 5 into 4 20x plus 20x, right? And minus 5 into 3 is minus 15. Minus 15. So the answer would be what? 8x squared plus into plus and minus. This operation would be of subtraction. The bigger will be right, bigger sign. Which is the bigger sign, right? The sign of the bigger term is plus, and a plus 14x minus 15. Now, I want you to take a pause over here, right? And I want you to understand the concept and steps, right? Okay, all of you take a pause over here and try to understand. All of you understood each and every step, single step? Tell me. I did not skip any step. So I hope all of you understood. So if I say that, sir, this process is what? This top-down process is what? This is multiplication. Yes or no? This process is multiplication. So what would be this process? Tell me. What would be this process? अगर question ये रहता, if the question would be this.
Factorization, sir.
So factorization.
Factorization. Correct. समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं सबको?
Yes, sir.
But see, here, I will tell you, right? Why I'm discussing each and every question? Because here, if you see what is 20 into 6, tell me what is 20 into 6?
120.
So 120.
Right? So minus 120, है ना? Correct? Because it is minus 6. But what is my constant term? What is my constant term?
15, sir.
So 50.
Sir, minus 15.
Minus 15.
Minus 15.
So what we studied, right? We studied when we talked about the problem, right? We studied that this constant term should be factorized such a way that these two on multiplication should give the constant term high enough.
Yes, sir.
तो कोई गलती हुई क्या हमसे? Tell me. Any mistake that we did in the concept? विष्णु सर ने गलत पढ़ा दिया?
No, sir.
Then is there something that we are missing? Think what we are missing. बताओ क्या छूट रहा है? What we are missing? Or do you want to check the question that we discussed? Right? Let us see. So we discussed these kind of questions, right? Hannah, can you see any relationship between what we discussed, right? We discussed these kind of questions, Hannah, this kind of questions and this problem. Tell me, can you tell me any difference between this question and the question that we discussed, which was what? X square plus 18x plus 80. Tell me. This problem and this problem. See, observe. Anyone? No, sign to it's fine, no, Bindu. Sign to it's fine, right? Sign to वो change हो जाएगा ना, sign तो multiplication पे depend करता है. Tanushi, my question is, यहाँ पे we have divided 18 in such a way that product should be equal to 80, है ना? We have divided 18 such a way that the product is 80. So that's why we did 10x plus 8x, right? But here it is divided into what? 14 is divided into minus 6 plus 20. And for this minus 6 plus 20 is giving me 120. But my coefficient, constant term is 15. There should be something that we are missing. Hi, Anna. Right? I should get minus 120, but I'm getting only minus 15. The constant term is only minus 15. तो बताओ, क्या miss कर रहा हूं मैं? Tell me, क्या miss कर रहा हूं? What am I missing? ये होता है सोचना, right? Intuition, question देखकर सोचो क्या मिस कर रहा हूं मैं? -15 को मैं -120 कैसे बना सकता हूं? Tell me. -15 को मैं -120 कैसे बना सकता हूँ? थिंक अबाउट इट. कैसे? फैक्टर्स थोड़ी ना. ओके ओके,
So
लेट मी.
multiplication.
Okay, multiply with what? Tell me, multiply with what?
Sir, into 8.
8.
Sir,
Can,
8.
can you say 8 anywhere? Can you say 8 anywhere? Anywhere? Can you see
Sir,
8?
8x.
Yes,
8x.
sir. 8x square.
8x square.
Square. Yes or no? Hi, Anna.
Yes,
I hope
sir.
all of you observe this, right? Anna. So, can I say a general statement? And now, can I say, sir, यहाँ पे सही है because यहाँ पे the coefficient of x square was 1. That is why I had taken just 80 because it was 80 into 1. So can I say, sir, ये तो सही है sir, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है इसमें, yes or no? Tell me. So can I say, in general, can I say that, sir, if I'm having a quadratic equation, tell me, if I'm having a quadratic equation, which is like this, ax square plus bx plus c, right? Tell me, factors किसका निकालना है? Tell me, factor मुझे किसका चाहिए?
C.
Option A, option B, C का, किसका? Tell me.
Sir, AC.
Correct, very good. AC. Sandhya, Priya, factor should be of AC. Factor should be of AC. ठीक है? Okay.
Sir, why, sir?
That is the concept, right? That is the concept जो मैंने समझाया अभी ना, right? See, that is the concept that I discussed now. That whenever we talk about the constant term and the breakage, should be in such a way that, right, the product of these two terms should be equal to product of constant term and coefficient of x square. Okay, okay, right?
Okay,
So
sir.
B should be divided in such a way. B should be divided in such a way. M and N, right? Okay. That M plus N should give me what? N plus 1 should give me what? N plus N should give me B. Correct. And what is M into N? M into N should give me A into C.
C.
And M into N should give me A plus A into C. Anyone have any doubt? Right?
Sir, I
So this is the
didn't understand. Sir, can you explain with some examples?
yes. I will explain once again. Don't worry. Okay? Right? Okay? Don't worry. I will explain one by one. Don't worry. So question number 1 is done. Question 1 is done. Right? So I guess all of you solve all the problems. I will just take question number 6 again. 6. Everyone, focus on question number 6. Then I will again explain that. Right? But let us see question number 6 first. If anyone have any other doubts, you can ask. I will just pick some questions which I find that need to be discussed. So it is what? 3 by 4 a square plus 3b square into 4. Now tell me, what is 4 into a square? I guess 4 can be multiplied, 4 can be kept outside only. Now let us keep 4 outside only because 4 is outside only. So I can just keep 4 outside. 4 into, hi Anna, right? And multiply just this. A square minus 2 by 3 b square. So let us keep 4 outside only for the time being. Now it is what? 3 this into this, 3 by 4 a square into this whole term, a square minus 2 by 3 b square, right? Sign is plus this term into this whole term, 3b square into this whole term, a square minus 2 by 3 b square. Anyone have any doubt in this step? Tell me, anyone have any doubt in this step? A no bracket for this one. Ye step clear hai? Everyone please check this step.
So will you explain it again?
See, what we did, we used distributive property. We just used distributive property. Okay, है ना? right? So I did not multiply 4 because 4 is just a coefficient. So I kept 4 right outside only for now. Okay. So when you see the term, we have this term, which is 3 by 4 a square plus 3b square, and the second term, which is a square minus 2 by 3 b square. Okay. So this 3 by 4 a square into this whole term, this into this whole term, and plus 3b square into this whole term, same steps. Got it, Tanushri? Distributive property only, Tanushri. We did distributive property only. Any Tanushri, Aditya, everyone got it? Okay. Now we will
Sir, I
again.
got it wrong, sir.
So just check it. Check your steps. Now, again, next step. 4. I will keep 4 outside only. I will multiply 4 at the last. Okay. Now, 3 by 4 a square, 3 by 4 a square into a square. Tell me. A square into a square. Okay. Minus 3 by 4. Now, 3 by 4 into 2 by 3. Into 2 by 3. A square into b square. Anyone have any doubt on this? Step by step. I'm solving each problem step by step. Anyone have any doubt on this step? Tell me. Rohan, please focus. Please focus. Okay, everyone should focus. Okay? Okay, chalo, very good. Now, next step, plus 3b square into a square. 3b square into a square. This is a good problem. Everyone need to follow the steps because you can make lots of mistake over here. Plus into minus, minus. 3 into 2 by 3. Now, b square into b square, I will just write b to the power 4. Okay? I will just write b to the power 4 because I don't have space over here. Check this step. How many of you made mistake in this step? Tell me, how many of you made mistake in this step? Right? So now you understood your mistake in this step. Tell me. Right?
Yes, sir.
Aditya? Okay? So I will just drop this. Second step, if you want to write, note it down, you can note it down, or you can just watch the video and note it down later. Okay? Okay. So next, last step is 4 bracket. It is what? 3 by 4, 8 power 4 minus 3 get cancelled. 2 will divide this 2 times. 1 by 2. A square b square plus 3a square b square, right? Minus 3 will get cancelled. 2b to the power 4. Now, can you see the like term over here? Can you see the like term?
Sir, 3
The
by
minus
4 a square
So
minus
minus 1 by 2 a square b square plus
by
3 a
2
square
a
b
square
square.
b square.
Very good. Gia, think about Gia, na? 8 power 4. Think about it. 8 power 4. Right? And so think a square plus a square and a square into a square. Very basic, very basic. Right? Whenever we have any doubt, think backwards. Think backwards. I hope you got your answer, Gia. The operation a square plus a square. Give me what? What is a square plus a square? This is 2a square. 1 apple plus 1 apple. But a square into a square is a is 1.4 times. This is 8 power 4. Okay. Chalo. Think step by step. So these two are the same term. What is 3 minus half? Tell me. 3 minus half. 3 minus half. 3 apple minus half apple. How many apple?
Sir, 2.5 apple.
2.5 apple, na? Right? Simple. Make everything very simple. Right? And multiply 4. Distributive property. Multiply 4 also. right? Or you can just multiply 4. So 4 into 3 by 4a power 4 minus, just multiply. I'll just multiply, right? 4 by 2 multiply 4 now, every term. A square b square plus 4 into 3, right? So again 12 a square b square, 4 into 2, so again minus 2 into 4, so 8 b power 4. Yeah, right? I just multiply 4 with every term, distributive property. So I guess now you can easily solve, right? 2 times. So 12 minus 2, 10. So it is 3 8 power 4 plus 10 a square b square minus 8 b power 4. Yes or no? Tell me. Yes or no? Step by step. Step by step. Think about it. Now, let me ask you one thing. This multiplication was a bit complex. Hi, Anna, tell me. Comparative to the previous one, right? No issues, Tanushri. See, method is same, Tanushri. Method is same. You just did it directly. You might have done it directly. ठीक है ना? 4 पहले multiply कर दिया होगा, right? So it's completely fine. ठीक है? Whatever method you do, completely fine. ठीक है? Right? Steps might be changed. Okay. See, I multiply 4 with all the terms, है ना? Multiply 4 with all the terms using distributive property. So 4 into 3 by 4, right? 4 into this, 4 into this, 4 into this, right? So I will get this term higher now. Okay. Now 4 will get cancelled over here and here, right? 4 will divide by 2 times. Now see this, minus 2a square b square and plus 12a square b square. What will be the answer? Minus 2 apple plus 10 apple. How many apples? $12 apples minus 2 apples. 12 apples minus 2 apples. 12 एप्पल है तुम्हारे पास, 2 एप्पल किसने ले लिया, कितने एप्पल बचेंगे?
10 apple.
If you have 12 apple and someone took 2 apple, how many apple?
So 10.
10
10 apple. हाँ है ना, ठीक है, right? So that's why I'm writing 10. ठीक है, no issues होता है कभी कभी, है ना? Okay, चलो done. जिया clear हो गया? Then I wrote this 3a square and minus 8b square, so 3 8 power 4 and minus 8b power 4 as it is. Now, one task that I'm giving you is, when you solve any problem, I'm asking you to follow each step. Why I'm asking you to follow each step? Tell me. Why I'm asking you to follow each step that I'm doing? Because multiplying is easy, because you know. Anna, multiplying is easy, you know. Right? Hi, Anna. अच्छा जी बताओ, which process is easier? Which process is easier? तोड़ना कि जोड़ना? Tell me.
तोड़ना.
Cutting.
तोड़ना sir.
Anna, it's very easy, right? Because you just have to break it. You just have to break it. Doesn't matter. Anna, right? For example, if you have a puzzle, right? Breaking a puzzle is simple. Yes or no? Right?
Yeah.
But again, making the whole picture from these broken pieces of the puzzle is difficult. Don't you think? Right?
Yes, sir.
है ना? Now you might be thinking, yes sir, ये क्या puzzle लेकर बैठ गए हैं? तुम खुद सोचो. Don't you think that every maths problem is just like a puzzle? Think about it.
Yes sir.
You have to think भाई next step क्या होगा, कौन सा step use करेंगे, right? And why I'm giving this example, because multiplying is like तोड़ना, है ना? Right? Multiplying is like तोड़ना. दो नंबर दिया, उसको तोड़कर एकदम अलग अलग करके मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, दैट इज तोड़ना, राइट? बट व्हाट इज लाइक एंड उल्टा काम क्या है? मल्टीप्लिकेशन उल्टा काम क्या हो गया? टेल मी।
इक्वल से चिपका देना।
फैक्टराइजेशन, है ना?
Yes.
देखो स्टेप्स दोनों में डिफरेंट है कि सेम है? बताओ, स्टेप्स दोनों के सेम है कि डिफरेंट है?
Same.
If you pay attention, then the steps, right, in both of them are actually same. हाँ है ना? Tell me, right? उल्टा ही तो है, but factorization is difficult because I don't know what my next step would be. हमको सोचना पड़ रहा है ना? And in multiplication, we are just breaking it and we are getting the steps, right? So that is why I am asking you to follow each and every step, because when you keep on multiplying, when you keep on multiplying, right, you will get to know that how the steps are getting broken, है ना? जैसे एक और प्रॉब्लम मैं सॉल्व कर रहा हूँ, फिर से बता रहा हूँ मैं, है ना? एग्जाम्पल जो मैंने बोला था, इसका एग्जाम्पल, ठीक है? इसका एग्जाम्पल. So let us take second problem. First is clear. We will discuss till 9.4 only today. Don't worry. No, Sincha, we can't play Kahoot today because we don't have time. Hai? So on Wednesday, we will complete 9.5 because not many of you did 9.5. Okay. So Wednesday, we will discuss 9.5 and then we will play Kahoot. Okay. Now, let us take this example. Let us take example number second ka 1. Second first. Ready? Second first. Hai? So it is what? It is 5 minus 2x. Let us see. 5 minus 2x and 3 plus x. Okay. Let us see this problem. Let us see this problem. Everyone, focus on this problem. Tomorrow we will start new topic, na, Rohan, right? Chemical equations, hai na? We will study about chemical equations, right? Chapter 3 of that book, hai na? I hope all of you done chapter 1, chapter 2. Complete हो गया सबका ना? Very good, बिंदु. ठीक है? चलो, let us see this problem. Everyone, let us see this problem. So I will take this example, है ना? So 5, so concept check. Okay, guys, focus here, right? Let us see how we build a concept. 5 minus 2x into 3 plus x. How we build a concept, step by step, no shortcut. There's no shortcut in the right learning phase, है ना? No shortcut in learning phase. So multiply कर रहा हूँ, एक step solve कर, एक step. 5 into this whole term, 3 plus x, right? Minus 2x into this whole term, 3 plus x. This is step 1, step 1, step 1, S1. What is step 2? Again multiplication, again distributive property, which is 5 into 3 plus 5 into x minus 2 into or 2x into 3 minus plus minus 2x into x. Step by step, everyone, step by step. मेरे साथ करते रहो, ठीक है? Solve step 2. Step 3. What is step 3? Right? So it is 15 plus 5x minus 6x minus 2x squared. So I can rewrite it. Rewrite it. So it is 2x squared. Right? Now, what is 5x minus 6x? Tell me, what is 5x minus 6x?
Minus x.
1x, sir.
Minus, they go minus, right? This is minus. And minus x, correct. And plus 50. So this is step 4. Right? Think about it, है ना? Clear है? सबको ही देखो.
Yes, sir.
हम उल्टा सोचेंगे, right? बिना सोचे समझे steps को उल्टा लिखो. Tell me, बिना सोचे समझे अभी steps को उल्टा लिखो. Write the steps in reverse order. Step 4 सबसे पहले लिखो. Write step 4. So I'll just use different pen. Write step 4. Minus 2x square minus x plus 15. मैं कुछ नहीं कर रहा, मैं बस उल्टा लिख रहा हूँ steps को, मैं और कुछ नहीं कर रहा. Minus 2x square, right? Minus 6x plus 5x plus 15. Step by step, उल्टा लिख रहा हूँ. ठीक है? Right? है ना? हाँ है ना? Okay? देन इसमें -2x मैंने कॉमन ले लिया, -2x कॉमन ले लिया, क्या बचेगा 3 प्लस यहाँ से 3 बचा, यहाँ से x बचा, 3 प्लस x प्लस यहाँ से क्या कॉमन लिया 5 कॉमन लिया, क्या बचा x प्लस 3. Now tell me this is which step, this is which step, this is which step. Actually step 3 is useless, step 3 को तो ऐसे ही दिया था, तो ये कौन सा step है, this is step 4, this was step 4, this is step 3, this is step 2. What is step 1? Tell me. Step 1 is this, sorry, step 1 है ना, ये step, this is step 3, step 2 is useless. So lastly it is what, minus or 5 minus 2x and divided by 3 plus x. Tell me, think about it. ये ऊपर से नीचे जो था, राइट, ये ऐसे है, हाँ या ना, हाँ या ना. अब समझ में आया, वो कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हुआ
Sir,
है?
I didn't understood. Sir, I didn't understood the third step of this second
It is
method.
same, right? It is same. I just wrote it. I just wrote it उल्टा. ठीक है, मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, मैंने बस उल्टा लिख दिया है. जो ऐसा स्टेप था मैंने उसको उल्टा लिख दिया ना. ये स्टेप मैंने सबसे पहले लिख दिया, फिर ये स्टेप इज दिस स्टेप, this step is this step, right? Because
Sir,
this step.
how did that 3 came there, sir?
अरे ये क्या है? What is this? Tell me, what is this? Focus. Now, what is this? क्या है ये?
Sir, 2x into 3.
How did this 3 came? Tell me then. How did this 3 came?
Sir,
समझ में आया?
it is in the question only, sir.
Yes. So again, right? 6x को तुम divide करो तो क्या आएगा? 6x को अगर उल्टा लिख रहा हूँ मैं तो क्या आएगा 6x को? Again उल्टा लिख रहा हूँ, उल्टा लिख रहा हूँ मैं, right? है ना?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Right?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
तुम सोच रहे हो कि देखो ये करना आसान था. This was easy. This was easy. Yes or no? Right? But if I have given you this question and I have told you to solve this, then this would be difficult. Usually, comparatively. हाँ या ना? Tell me. Right?
Yes,
Think about it. Otherwise, जबकि देखो step कोई अलग अलग है क्या? Tell me. Think about it. Is this 2 different steps or the same step in opposite order? Tell me. सोचो एक बार. है ना? Right? So how could you have solved this? How could you have solved this? So first thing, what is the first step? The first step is finding AC. Right? I will tell you the application. है ना? Finding AC. What is AC? What is AC? What is AC? What is AC? A is -2, C is 15. What is AC? -30, -9. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. And you have to multiply. Factorize, guys. Please mute. I'm listening my voice again. Okay. So -30 should be divided. Factorized. I'm muting everyone because I was listening my voice only. There was some echo, I guess. Okay. Hana? Yes, yes, yes. Someone was keeping in the loudspeaker. ठीक है, चलो. So think about it. So I can say it is -5 into 6. हाँ ना, -5 into 6. Simple. है ना? Now tell me one thing. Tell me one thing. Which term should we have in negative sign? Because I need to get what? I need to get -1. So m plus n, right, should be equal to -1, right? And m into n should be equal to -30. So tell me, what is m? What is n? M should be -6. -6 ना, because negative बड़ा होना चाहिए. -6 plus 5 is equal to -1. हाँ या ना? Tell me step by step. Sandhya, Bindu, everyone. Anyone have any doubt? Tanushree, Jia? अब समझ में आया कि ये -6 और +5 क्यों हुआ? Tell me. Now you understood why it is -6 and +5, right? है ना? But मल्टीप्लाई करते वक्त तुमने सोचा था क्या? मल्टीप्लाई करते वक्त तुमने सोचा था कि भाई -6 और 5 आएगा, कि बस कर दिया, जो आएगा देखा जाएगा, है कि नहीं? मल्टीप्लाई करते वक्त हमने बस मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. We did not have to think, right? We just multiplied. We got this. है ना? हमें मिल गया वो. ठीक है? Got it? So that is why we have to, right, think about the steps, right? If you observe your multiplication, your factorization will improve. Ayana, tell me, don't you think that if you are very good with multiplication step by step, your factorization will also improve because you will observe the steps. Okay? So I guess this is done. सानवी बीच वाला टर्म में ब्रोक होता है ना सानवी, राइट? है ना सानवी? It is split the middle term. If you see the notes ना, it is split the middle term. Middle term को ही हम लोग तोड़ते हैं. ठीक है सानवी?
सर हमेशा ही क्या, जो भी प्रॉब्लम आएगा तो फिर मिडिल टर्म को ही तोड़ना है.
हाँ, again it is quadratic, right? Power degree 2 है ना, है कि नहीं? Degree is 2. तो अगर डिग्री 2 रहे, हम लोग ये प्रॉब्लम जब सॉल्व करें किसके लिए? दिस इज फॉर डिग्री 2. डिग्री 2 है ना. अब जैसे सिंपल से एग्जांपल एक ले लेता हूं मैं, एक और सिंपल से एग्जांपल ले लेता हूं, राइट? और मिडिल टर्म का मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो लिटरली मिडिल रहेगा. जैसे अब एक सवाल ये है, a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab. तो बताओ इसमें किसको तोड़ेंगे? टेल मी, इसमें मिडिल वाला टर्म कौन सा हो रहा है?
तो 2ab.
हाँ,
2ab.
एग्जैक्टली राइट. तो इसमें क्योंकि मैंने 2ab लास्ट में लिखा है, इट इज नॉट द मिडिल टर्म. मिडिल टर्म इज 2ab, राइट? यू हैव टू नोटिस. सो इट इज a स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab प्लस b स्क्वायर. इसमें हम 2ab को तोड़ेंगे. कैसे तोड़ेंगे? इट इज, टेल मी, इट इज a स्क्वायर,
1ab.
यस, प्लस ab
1ab
प्लस
plus 1ab.
करेक्ट, वेरी गुड, प्लस b स्क्वायर, है ना? राइट, समझ में आ गया?
हाँ सर.
चलो, ओके, वेरी गुड. So I guess question number 1 and 2 is clear. Question number 3, है ना? Question number 3. Okay, question number 3. I will discuss each and every problem, है ना? I will discuss each and every problem. Just see your steps. Please check your steps and check your problem. Check your answer. ठीक है? मैं 1 से start कर रहा हूँ. Okay. And copy मत करना. Copy मत करना. ठीक है? अपने से solve करना एक बार. So x square minus 5, because I will just write the answer. I will just write the answer. Okay, if your answer is not matching, right, then tell me. Plus 25. Iska answer, I will just write the answer directly. I'll just write the answer directly. Right? X cube, okay, plus 5x square minus 5x. So this is the answer for question number 1. Sabka answer ye hai, x cube plus 5x square minus 5x. Everyone, if you don't have this answer, then you can ask, but this is the answer. Okay, right? Check your answers. All of you got this answer, raise your hand. All of you got this answer? Okay, okay, I will tell the answer of everyone, then if you have doubt you can ask. Next one, second one. First one is done. Please note it. बाद में मत पूछना सर question 1 का आंसर क्या है. Okay, second one, this one. So a square plus 5. Why I'm not telling step by step? Because some of you still did not solve now. So that's why I want you to solve by yourself, and you can check if your answer is wrong and right by just writing the answer. Okay, right? That's why please write the answer so you can check. So the answer is what? The answer is a square b cube plus 5b cube plus 3a square plus 20. So this is the answer. Second one cancel. Note it down. Okay. Second one cancel. Right? Okay. Third one. T plus s square into. Yeah, my video is not on, right? Because I was having the eye issue, no? So I'm not looking at camera all the time. Okay. I've just kept it off. Okay. T square minus s. So again, the answer is t cube plus s square t square minus st minus s cube. Note it down. Second one, note it down. So this is the third answer, third one. ये second का, ये third का. Okay, right? Note it down. Then fourth, question number 4. All of you should solve step by step and follow your mistakes, है ना? So fourth one is बड़ा सा a plus b into c plus d, sorry, c minus d plus a minus b into c plus d plus 2 ac plus bd. Okay. Okay, right? So what would be the answer? Answer would be, tell me. Anyone? 4ac, ठीक है? Plus, tell me, 4ac plus anyone? The answer is 4ac plus 4bd, pakka. Zero bd. It will be 0 bd. Right? It will not be 4bd. ठीक है? तुम लोग लग रहा होगा 4bd, but खुद सोचो ना, तुम क्वेश्चन देख के आ सकते हैं यहाँ पे. ये plus bd plus b minus d, minus bd, here also minus bd, है ना? So minus 2bd, and here we have plus 2bd, so it will be 0, right? है ना? Plus bc minus bc, again 0, right? So it will be just 4ac, just 4ac. The answer is just 4ac. ठीक है? Right? Jia, many students did not solve this Khan Academy one. Fifth one. Yes, Sandhya, we have done. I have given, I have assigned it, right? I have assigned it. So those you have to complete. So this is the last problem. Rest I will discuss in next class. So see, here the answer is what? Tell me, the answer would be what? 3x squared. Okay, the answer is 3x squared minus y squared, right? Plus, tell me, plus 4xy. Correct, Ananya. Correct. Sahi, Ananya. Right? So we have discussed till 5. Now 6, 7, 8, and the remaining 9.5 we will discuss in next class.